Hello, so this is the Docker file in our RubyMine project directory itself, and we need to edit it out. The code, as you can see, it's in my GitHub. Now the next step is we need to build an image from Docker. So we'll use the command docker image build like this. Once it's built, we'll provision the Docker container using this command. And as you can see in this screenshot here, we can use the command docker image list to see the image that we just created. Now we just log in into the Docker Hub account with a Docker Hub ID. Then we will use the command docker push to push the image that we created, and a repository is created in our Docker Hub account, as you can see, with the name of Photosite Web. Next, we need to go to AWS console and create an instance. We just launch an instance, click next with the default settings and with the instance type of T2 micro, and you land here with the instance running here, and you can see the public address here. Then next we need to use PuTTY, that is our SSH client, to connect to our instance. So in PuTTY application here we need to use our IP address, which is basically the public DNS. I'll show you this one. This is the ID that we need to input in our PuTTY IP address. In the data tab we need to enter Ubuntu, which is our username, as you can see here. Next we need to enter the private key here, which should be in the format of .ppk and not .pem, which is authorized by AWS. We need to convert that to .ppk via PuTTYGen converter. When that's done, then the next step is basically connecting to our EC2 instance by clicking on open. Once we click on open and PuTTY, we are here. After clicking on open in PuTTY, it gets connected to our instance, as you can see here. Next we just enter our command sudo apt get update, and once all the packages get updated, then we install Docker with this command sudo apt get install docker.io and sudo apt install docker. Once Docker is installed, we can see our image here with the code Docker image list. Then we just create a new group named Docker, and we use this command to clear any network errors that I was getting earlier. So next we pull the image, and after pulling we can see the image right here. After that we run the command docker run, and after it's run, as you can see here, it's running on this address. This address is nothing but basically the IP address of our instance, which is this, followed by 3000, which is the port, and user. So this is our landing page. If you click on it, we can get 20 photos and comments of the users. Barak. If you want, you can go to John.